In this video, I'm going to show you 10 awesome tips on creating responsive search ads in Google Ads. Now, you got to remember that your ads is the first thing people are going to look at in order to determine whether they need to click on your ad to get to your website or your competitor's ad. It could be the difference between make or break. You might have the best service in the world, but if your ads are not enticing people the real way to click on them, it's lowering your click-through rate, and you're losing potential business because your competitors have got well-written ads and something that you need to may need to polish up on anyway. So let's get into it, and I'll show you 10 different ways on how to create awesome responsive search ads. Use clear, concise, and compelling ad copy. So it's important to make sure that your ad copy is easy to understand and is effective, and it conveys the value of your products or services. A well-written ad can help increase the likelihood that a user will click on your ad and visit your website instead of your competitor's website. Include a strong call to action. A call to action is a phrase or a button that encourages users to take a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. Including a strong call to action in your ad can help increase the likelihood that a user will take the desired action. So just make sure that you've got something really powerful in there. Either make a booking or check out our website or view online or book now or call now, some sort of a call to action, or get a quote. They're all call to actions, okay? Utilize ad extensions. So ad extensions allow you to provide additional information about your business or product, such as location, phone number, or additional links. This can help to improve the visibility and the effectiveness of your ad. So, according to a study by Google, ads with ads extensions have a 10 to 15% higher click through rate, a CTR, on average. So, it's absolutely imperative you spend time creating well written extensions. And there are different types of extensions. There's site links, there's call out extensions, there's call extensions, and there's structured snippets, there's location extensions, price extensions, and so on. There's a whole vast array of extensions that are available to you within Google Ads, or even assets as they're sometimes called. Target specific keywords. Now, what I mean by that is using a specific relevant keywords within your ad copy can help attract users who are searching for those terms. This can help improve the relevance of your ad to a user, which can lead to a higher click-through rate and a conversion rate. So, for example, if you're a painter in London, make sure you've got the keywords painter in London within your headlines and your descriptions, because when people see that, if that's what they've searched for, and if that's what they see, they're more likely to click on it, because it psychologically brings them relevancy that, hey, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So make sure you include your specific keywords within your ads too. Optimize for mobile. So with the increasing number of users accessing the internet using mobile devices, it's important to make sure that your ad is fully optimized for mobile. So this includes a clear and concise message, a strong call to action, and an ad extensions that are easily accessible from mobiles. So again, according to Google, 52% of global website traffic in 2021 was from mobile devices. So it's absolutely imperative. And what that means that you may have to sometimes rephrase your ads so that, when people are on a mobile, they're more likely, it makes more sense because you're writing ad copy which is mobile specific, or people can see the full headline or the main keywords or the main phrases that are towards the beginning, because you've only got a small amount of space on your mobile. So make sure that your ads are optimized for mobile use. Use eye-catching visuals. Including visually appealing images or videos in your ads can help grab the user's attention and make your ad stand out compared to your competitors. This can also help with the likelihood that a user will click on your ad and visit your website instead of your competitor's website. Now, let's face it, more and more websites are being launched on the web. There's more and more ads right? So you got to make your ad somehow stand out, right? So the visuals of your ad, especially if you're doing a display campaign or remarketing campaign, what's going to stop the scroll factor? So when people are scrolling, what's going to stop them scrolling and look at your ad and say, hey, that's exactly what I want? Use ad customizers. So somewhere around this video, I will put a link to a different video which goes into ad customizers in a lot more detail. But essentially, ad customizers allow you to dynamically insert information into your ads, such as the user's location or the current weather. So this can help you make your ads more relevant to the user, which can increase the CTR, the click-through rate, and the conversion rate. And there's a whole host of other customizers that you can add within your ads using ad customizers. Monitor and analyze your ad performance. So it's important to regularly monitor and analyze the performance of your ad to see how it's performing and identify areas of improvement. So this can help you optimize your ads for better results and make informed decisions about your ad budget and strategy. So don't just create an ad and leave it alone. Make sure you spend a lot of time continually looking at your ads to see how you can improve it, and it should be an ongoing process. So never leave ads static, always be testing, testing, and testing. Finally, use relevant landing pages. So it's important to ensure that your landing page for your ad is relevant to the content and the messaging of your ads. If a user clicks on your ad and lands on a page that is not relevant to their search, they're likely to leave the page quickly, and this can result in a high bounce rate. By ensuring that your landing page is relevant to your ad, you can improve the user experience and increase the likelihood that they will take the desired action, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. So landing pages is absolutely key, because your landing page is going to work hand in hand with your ad, which is going to work hand in hand with your keywords. Now, if you found this video useful, then please help to share the message by subscribing. Put your comments in below, right? What's worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. When you're creating responsive search ads, what works for you and what doesn't quite work for you, right? So it's not all about what is working for you, but what isn't quite working for you. I'll be interested to hear from you. And at the same time, why don't you, there'll be a link somewhere around this video, get a free copy of my book, which is called How to Win Customers with Google Ads, shipped right to your door. This book, we have covered the cost of getting the book printed. The only thing you got to do is to cover the cost of the postage and packaging. There'll be a link somewhere below this video. And this book will detail everything you need to know about Google Ads, how it works, the best practices, how to get ahead of your competitors, what sort of tools to use, about ads, what type of ads to write, and even it'll tell you so much more than what I've gone over in this video about creating ads which are going to work and make your business more profitable instead of your competitors gaining all the leads and the sales from you. So that's all for now, guys, and look forward to seeing you on the other side. Goodbye for now.